Hi guys, welcome to Wellste Channel. Today, Wellste takes us to understand bright dip anodizing aluminum. Bright dip anodizing involves two continuous processes. The first is bright dipping. It is a process in which aluminum is chemically polished. Then, it will produce a glossy, high shiny appearance. Anodizing is the next process that adds additional production from scratching, feeding, and most importantly, corrosion. So, bright dip anodizing is a chemical process that will enhance the specularity or brightness of aluminum without leaving any deposits on the finish. The bright degree is also determined by the alloy type. Typically, 5,000 and 6,000 series aluminum will produce higher lusters compared to 2,000 and 7,000 series because they are harder tempered. One of the best alloys for bright dipping is 6,463 aluminum. It was specifically developed for this purpose. It's a variant of 6066 and has similar properties. That means it's good for architectural trim and is suitable for both bright dipping and anodizing. Wellste bright dip anodizing thickness is about 100-700 microinch. Max part size 152x15.2x28. Bright dip anodizing has many colors. It's typically used to enhance product appearance. Common shades are aluminum tubes, angles, and channels. Used for automotive parts, machine parts, appliances, architectural profiles, sporting goods, and so on. With 26 years of experience, Wellste has hoped our clients have achieved mental finishing goals and exceed their expectations. Please visit our website to learn more about our capabilities and receive a free quote today.